Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Plug the Dash Egg Bite Maker into a grounded outlet and heat for 2 minutes. While it warms, gather ingredients and tools on a clean countertop. Grease each cavity with 1 teaspoon of oil or non-stick spray to prevent sticking. Use the included measuring cup and silicone spatula for accurate filling and release. Crack 2 large eggs per cavity for standard servings and adjust for smaller portions as needed. Prepare fillings, now so assembly is fast when the unit signals it is ready. Whisk 8 large eggs with 1/4 cup milk until smooth and slightly frothy. Add mix-ins like diced ham, chopped spinach, or peppers as preferred. Stir in 1/2 cup shredded cheese and 1/4 teaspoon salt evenly throughout the batter. Season with 1/8 teaspoon black pepper or to taste for mild spice. Fill each cavity to about 3/4 full to allow expansion during cooking without overflow. Tap the tray gently to remove air pockets and ensure even cooking in every cavity. Close the lid and cook on the preset egg bite cycle for 12 minutes. Cook for 12 minutes, then let rest for 2 minutes before removing the egg bites. Use the included silicone spatula to gently release egg bites without scratching the nonstick surface. Transfer finished bites to a plate and garnish with herbs or a dash of hot sauce if desired. Wash removable plates in warm soapy water or top rack dishwasher after they have cooled completely. Wipe the base with a damp cloth and store the unit unplugged in a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.